So now let's talk about AWS OpsWorks. And to first talk about OpsWorks, I need to talk to you about something called Chef and Puppet. Chef and Puppet are two tools that are not created by AWS, and these two tools help you perform server configuration automatically or repetitive action. And Chef and Puppet have been designed to work great with EC2 instances or on-premises virtual machines. And so therefore, OpsWorks was created by AWS to give you a managed Chef and Puppet in the cloud. It's going to be viewed as an alternative to SSM that we saw from before, but with Chef and Puppet, we can only provision standard AWS resources, so we can only provision EC2 instances, databases, load balancers, and EBS volumes. So from an exam perspective, OpsWorks is very simple to reason about. Anytime you see Chef or Puppet that is needed, you need to think about OpsWorks, and it's going to be the extent of what is required from you from the exam. Now, I just wanted to show you how OpsWorks would work at a high level. So we have an OpsWorks stacks, and then on it, you're going to have your Elastic Load Balancer layer with an ALB. Then you're going to have your application server layer with EC2 instances, and they will get their application information from something called a cookbook repository, and they will get the application from the application repository as well. And finally, we're going to have a database layer, which will contain our RDS database through OpsWorks. So as you can see, this is quite simple. This is just the same as what we've seen from before. For example, using our 3-tier web application, or even if we're using Beanstalk to deploy our application, this would follow this kind of layer. But the only reason why you would use OpsWorks in AWS is that you were already using Chef and Puppet before migrating to the cloud, and you wanted to reuse your Chef and Puppet templates to work on AWS. In that case, OpsWorks is going to be the service for you. So that's it. I hope you liked it. This is also an advanced service that I won't demo, and I will see you in the next lecture.